Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making old-fashioned pancakes. You will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 cups of milk, and 4.5 tablespoons of butter. To a bowl, add your milk, egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Now whisk these wet ingredients until well combined. To another bowl, add your flour and sugar. Now add the baking powder and salt, then whisk until well combined. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, then whisk until well combined. Transfer your batter to your pancake batter dispenser, then set it aside. Add the remaining 1.5 tablespoons of butter to your pan, then using medium heat, bring to temperature. Now add your batter. Continue cooking your pancakes until the surface is completely covered with bubbles. Flip your pancake and allow it to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.